In our newly launched generative workflow feature, we have a very convenient function that allows for the quick import of pre-created comic storyboards onto the workflow whiteboard. Within this generative workflow, we can use existing storyboards as our initial input to generate new storyboards. For example, if we import a storyboard based on the fairy tale of The Little Prince, we can take parts of the storyline, such as scenes involving the Little Prince and the butterfly, as reference input to generate new story elements. This is a really exciting feature, and we're grateful for the feedback from our customers.